Did you know that true love was actually a giant chemistry experiment? It is, and there are actually three different kinds of chemistry that I'm going to tell you about. Only one of them is the perfect combination of elements to come up with a long lasting true love. The first one is lust, and it is literally a physical need for gratification. It is a very short lived thing, and it is driven by estrogen and testosterone. It's not really a lot of thinking up here, it's more of a lot of thinking with the down there. And that's not one that's going to get you very far when it comes to true love. Then you have attraction. Attraction is driven by three different hormones in the body. Dopamine, which is your feel good hormone. It's the reward center of your brain gets tapped a few times and you really like something and your dopamine is released and it makes you want more of it. And you keep going back to whatever has given you that rush. There's also norepinephrine, which is your adrenaline rush. It's what gives you the butterflies in your tummy and makes you feel all warm and fuzzy. You can't eat, you can't sleep. You just really want to be with somebody or next to somebody or just have that person in your world, which is a good thing, but it's not enough. And then there's also your serotonin. And when those levels are lower than everything else, that's when you come up with these obsessive feelings and needs and desires, which, as long as they don't cross into the creepy stalker line of things, then that's a good thing because it means that you're really marinating on a person. You're really dwelling on them and you really can't get them out of your mind, which is not a bad thing. But attraction is also not enough for a long lasting true love relationship. What you're looking for is attachment. And attachment comes with a little bit of attraction, but also a little bit of oxytocin, which is a feel good hormone in the sense that it brings about a sense of release and peace and relief. It makes you want to be around somebody. It's kind of like they bring you balance and they ground you. Also, vasopressin. Vasopressin is a hormone in your body that studies have shown that when the levels in a person is higher, it means that they're more likely to be monogamous. So that's kind of interesting as well. But combined with oxytocin, that's where you find your attachment bond. And that's what you want when it comes to a long lasting committed relationship. Not lust, not just attraction, but attachment. And so when you have attraction and attachment, that's where you're going to find your one true love, and that's your chemistry experiment gone exactly right.